If you've just bought a Galaxy Watch 9 or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, you might be wondering, can you actually make and receive calls from your wrist? Well, yes, and the setup is surprisingly simple. But there's one important thing you need to know before we start. The Wi-Fi versions of the Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2 can make and receive calls, but they still depend on your smartphone being connected. So, let's see exactly how calling works, how you can manage contacts, how dual SIM works, and what changes if you have the LTE version. Calling on the Wi-Fi Galaxy Watch 9. With the Wi-Fi only Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2, you can make calls directly from the watch. Open the phone app, choose a contact or enter a number and simply tap the call button. When someone calls you, you can also answer directly from the watch. The watch has its own microphone and speaker, so you don't need to take your phone out of your pocket just to have a quick conversation. And honestly, this is one of those features that sounds like a gimmick until you actually use it. You're cooking, walking around the house, or your phone is buried somewhere in your bag. You can just look at your wrist and answer the call. But there is one big limitation. Because this is the Wi-Fi model, your phone still needs to be connected to the watch. So you can't simply leave your phone at home, walk outside with the watch and expect normal cellular calls to work. The watch is essentially using your smartphone's cellular connection to handle the call. Your contacts are already on the watch. Another nice thing is that you don't have to manually copy all your phone numbers to the watch. Once your Galaxy Watch is connected to your smartphone, your contacts can sync automatically. So, open the Contacts app on the watch, find the person you want to call, tap their name and start the call. And if you meet someone new and want to save their number, you can also create a new contact directly from the watch. It's a small feature, but it makes the watch feel much more independent. What if you use two SIM cards? Now, this is especially useful for people using dual SIM phones. If your smartphone has two SIM cards, you can choose which SIM you want to use when making a call from the Galaxy Watch. So imagine you have one SIM for personal calls and another for work. You don't need to take out your phone just to select the other number. While preparing to make a call, you can tap and hold the active SIM icon and then switch between SIM 1 and SIM 2. Select the SIM you want, make the call and you're done. What about call quality? The Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2 have a built-in speaker and microphone, so you can have a conversation directly from your wrist. For normal indoor calls, this can be perfectly fine. But if you're somewhere noisy or you simply don't want everyone around you hearing your conversation, there's another option. You can connect Galaxy Buds or another compatible Bluetooth headset directly to the watch. Then your watch handles the call while the audio goes through your earbuds. And that's a much more practical setup when you're outside. But what if I want to leave my phone at home? This is where the LTE version comes in. If you want to make and receive calls when your phone isn't nearby, you'll want the LTE version of the Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. The LTE model can use cellular connectivity through an eSIM, allowing the watch to stay connected even when your smartphone isn't with you. The exact activation process depends on your carrier, but generally you open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone, go to the watch's mobile plan or cellular settings, select your carrier and follow the instructions to activate the eSIM. Once the mobile plan is activated, your LTE watch can make and receive calls using its own cellular connection. Wi-Fi or LTE? Which one should you buy? And this brings us to the real question. If your phone is almost always with you, the Wi-Fi model is probably enough. If you are using Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, then it only comes with LTE variant. You can still answer calls, make calls, access your contacts and use the watch's microphone and speaker, as long as the watch remains connected to your phone. But if you want genuine freedom from your smartphone, go for the LTE version. I hope you got all your answers. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.